my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. It's a Colourpop haul. I told you I was gonna come up back here with another one, so let's get into it. Colourpop came out with another palette, of course. Not only did the Perception palette with Makeup by Shayla, but they also were celebrating their 4th birthday. 4 years of Colourpop. Yeah! I'm obsessed with Colourpop. I hope they never change. But I feel like they are. I feel like prices eventually will go up. I'm scared about that because they're so affordable and they're so good. The brand is so good. What's on my face? Let's talk this because it's pretty much mostly Colourpop and the rest will go into the haul. Summertime, I like things natural, and because you're sweating and it's hot, this is what I came up with. Super simple. This is Colourpop's bronzer, blush if you want to, in Weirdo. So I popped that in my cheeks as a blush. Glowing wise, I used Wet n Wild's Mega Glow in Blossom Glow, and it's really, really pretty. I loved it. I love it, and I think it's great for that natural, pretty, just summery look. On my lips is Colourpop's Neat Freak lip gloss. I'm obsessed because Colourpop's coming out with 14 or 16 new lip glosses. I know I'm wrong with the number, but a whole bunch of new lip glosses are launching this Friday, which I think I'm gonna have to get my hands on because I'm loving like 6 out of the rest. And their wand is way different from this one. It's more of like a little brush, which I like much better. So I have Neat Freak on, and on my eyes, something really, really simple, nothing really dramatic, is Colourpop's Give It To Me Straights. And literally the only color I used was, I didn't put a primer. I used a powder primer, which was this one, for all over lid, and I popped in Downright in my crease and Truth Hurts on my lower lash line. That is literally all I did. I'm looking through my brushes because I know one mistake. I put my mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is my favorite, volumizing the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Seriously, the best. I think this and the NYX one. Oh my god, I've been loving those two together, or alone. But I can't find it. What do I do with it? Oh. So this one and Worth the Hype from NYX, these two are freaking awesome. I love how they make my lashes look. I just did a regular brow with a NYX pencil. I think when you do with a pencil, it kind of looks more natural, nothing too harsh. Nothing too harsh on it. Super natural. It was a NYX micro brow. I'm loving. I needed backup of this. I also went in with Wet n Wild highlighter just to clean up the brow underneath. Concealer, Wet n Wild, and powder, Wet n Wild. That is my simple summery look. I think I'm going to be doing very simple looks for summer, like natural, not too over the top. I won't be using a lot of eyeshadows. So summertime is usually my time where I kind of stop and I don't purchase too much makeup. I hope I don't. But this I'm loving, and definitely would do a makeup look for you guys. It's really quick. I'm talking about like a good 5 minutes and you're done. Maybe 10. We'll see. Anyways, so Colourpop came out with a new palette, and when you ordered anything past $10, you got a free Super Shock birthday eyeshadow that they usually do every year. So I grabbed 4 things. Of course, Colourpop comes always with a card, and I ordered because my Bumble was done. Bumble is my favorite ultra matte lip. I am obsessed with this color. I love it. I love wearing, I think I wore the hell out of it for the last 2 years, summertime, because it's so pretty. And I will swatch it for you because I am obsessed with this color. It is beautiful. It goes with almost everything, I want to say. Something like this natural, this will go beautiful. If you just want light and then the pop of color in your lip, you can do Bumble. Bumble is really my favorite. So I grabbed Bumble, and I grabbed on their sale section Bounty. I don't know what collection this one was from, but it's a Super Shock Ultra Glitter, and I fell in absolute love. Look how beautiful that is. I will swatch it for you. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Now, here's what I love to do. I love their Super Shocks, especially when they're glittery. Just because if I'm doing something natural like this, I take a little bit tap in the middle. I'm done. I'm out. I'm leaving the door. Because it does bring a pop of color to your eyes. Seriously, Colourpop, you're awesome. So this was their birthday free gift, and it's called Birthday Wish. The packaging is adorbs. I love it. It's in purple. It says 4th on it. And this is an ultra glitter as well. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, I love it. And I will swatch it right next to Bounty. Definitely something like this over the lid would be so pretty. So much glitter, so much prettiness. I love it. Definitely that would be perfect for under for a pop of color on the eye and the inner corner. You can work ways. Let's go into the palette. The palette is called Fame Shadow Palette. This palette was $23 just because it's the same size as Perception. Now here is where I'm gonna say, because I'm gonna be truthful and honest. I'm always honest and with what I think and how I feel. They said that this was $23 because it came with a mirror, correct? And all these eyeshadows. Now this one has no mirror, so how is it $23? I feel like this one should have been 18 bucks. And I noticed the regular Colourpop palettes, the Give It To Me Straight, went from, I think they were 16. So this is 16. No, you know, and the shadows are bigger. Yes, I understand that these are more shadows and it has a mirror. So you know what? Charge $23. That is understandable because the mirror makes it heavy. I get it. But now, let's open this baby and I will show you. I love the packaging and I loved how it looks on the inside. And the names are on the back, names are on the side. You got the cute little Colourpop little thingy, and this is your Colourpop's first cool tone palette. Now, a lot of people were bitching. A lot of people were complaining. A lot of people were just not having this whatsoever. You asked for cool tones, they give it to you. You're not liking it. You want something of more color. What? Like, that confused the hell out of me. So many people were just bashing it. I love the fact that it's cool toned. I love it. It's super pretty. This is the palette. It's super, super cute. I love it. So people were complaining that they wanted a colorful palette. Well, I got one for you guys. It is called The Main Stage. So it's $90. I get it for the whole collection, and it's 24 shadows. But this was their festive shadows. This is colorful. Grab this palette. Stop complaining. So this is all cool tone. I will swatch a few for you. Let's do. I'm gonna try 3 from. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 from each row. So we're gonna go in with the darker ones. That did not swatch too well. We'll go with another 2 middle. Let me do it again for you. That's 2 from the next row. I'm going in with another 2. So another creamy, another not creamy. So clearly this palette is pigmented, like all their other palettes. I love it. I love that it's cool toned. You can use this for summertime. I love the packaging. I'm obsessed with all the color shades. I love it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to place their lip gloss order just because I kind of want the lip gloss thing this summer, or a lip balm, lip gloss. Just, I want that in this summer. Now, what is your feelings on this? Do you feel like, am I being too much by saying that, or do you feel like they're raising their prices up? Is it just me? Am I the only one that feels like that I feel like they're trying to be slick here and there? I don't know. You tell me. I mean, this one has color in it. It is more warm toned. This is cool toned. You could definitely tell the difference. Now my fear is that they're gonna just start coming out with packaging like this. Just keep charging $23 with all this eyeshadow. I kind of want to see more of this. Not the shades, but like more of that size palette and more highlighters. They need definitely more highlighters and supernova shadows. I'm just saying, that's what they need. So this I love the packaging. I pretty much showed you my little tiny haul. It's not a long video, which I'm happy for. I love it. It's super adorable. You cannot get cuter than this. Thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for notifications for any new videos I come out with. You will know. And please subscribe so you can catch me anytime in my crazy rants and opinions. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.